The community college offers certificate courses in computer hardware and network maintenance technology. It also offers certificate course in accounting and taxation, travel and tourism management. Today's topic is Introduction to the Computer Hardware. The computer system is made up of hardware as well as the software. Hardware is the physical part of the computer system. It consists of CPU, main memory, input devices, output devices, and storage devices. This is the block diagram for a computer system. The central processing unit is where all sorting, searching, calculating, and decision making is done. They are usually single chip microprocessors. The main memory is made up of random access memory, RAM, and read only memory, ROM. RAM is a volatile memory. The contents of the RAM is lost when the power is switched off. Read only memory is the permanent memory. It cannot be added or altered the data. Input devices allow a user to enter data into the computer. For example, keyboard. It allows us to type the text, numbers, etc. Touch sensitive screen using IR detectors and signals. Graphic tablet like the chalk and the board. The mouse used to open and close windows. The trackball, it has upside down mouse. It has a ball also. The joystick used to play games. The light pen, we can draw on the computer screen using this. The scanner, it is used as an input to input a photo, picture, drawing into a computer. Digital camera to take photos. Webcam, CCTVs. Voice recognitions. Handwriting recognitions. Output devices. For example, plotter. We can print out flex and banners using the plotter. The speakers, sound output, printers, projectors to display the computer system, storage devices, magnetic storage devices, hard and floppy disks, they have iron coating on them, flash memory, pen drives, camera cards, etc. Now next topic are the CCTV cameras. So basically they used to send video, images and audio to monitor. Types of CCTV: indoor, outdoor, IR, bullet, hidden cameras. They can be wired or wireless. The wireless are used for Wi-Fi. They can be used for maintaining security, traffic monitoring. IP, Internet Protocol CCTVs. Now we will discuss the types of CCTVs. This is the dome CCTV camera. It is easy to fit with 360-degree rotation to cover all the angles. These are the bullet CCTV cameras. They are resistant to dirt, and casing also is there to protect from rain. These are the C-mount CCTV cameras. Special lenses can be fitted to the camera. These are the PTZ pan, tilt and zoom cameras. They also provide 360-degree field of vision. They are the day and night CCTV cameras. IR night vision CCTV cameras for night vision. These are the internet protocol CCTV cameras. Using internet, we can view from anywhere in the world. These are the wireless CCTV cameras. HD CCTV cameras. They capture subjects in perfect clarity. Now next topic is the motherboard. It is also known as the printed circuit board. It contains the CPU, memory and other peripherals. This is the view of a motherboard. The CPU socket, it is a mechanical component. It provides mechanical and electrical connections. So the red circle is the CPU socket. Next are the memory slots. RAM is inserted. These are the types of RAM which we can insert. These are the memory slots on a PCB. Next is CMOS battery, low power battery for BIOS, basic input output system memory. This is the CMOS battery marked on the red circle. These are the slots: industry standard architecture slot, accelerated graphics port and peripheral component interconnect. The circles marked are the slots on the motherboard. These are the power connectors, chipset, electronic component integrated in the PCB. Two types of bridge are there, south bridge and north bridge. North bridge basically handles the communication between the CPU and the RAM. This is the north bridge in the red circle. Graphical device, video card. These are the back panel connectors, ports used to connect the keyboard, mouse, speakers with the motherboard. Next topic are the expansion cards. These are also called add-on cards. We can insert the add-on cards on the PCB board. So types are network card, sound card, video card, graphic card, internal modem. This is the PATA and the SATA wire. Bluetooth for communication purposes. Firewire is a digital bus. Redundant array of inexpensive disks. Small computer system interface. Universal serial bus, USB ports. Internal modem on the motherboard. Network interface card. We can connect with the network using this. These are the wireless network card. Moving pictures expert group. to display video and DVD files. This is sound card. Video capture card. Graphic cards for displaying graphics. This is the old and the new graphic card. So these are particular standards. Thank you very much.